How to install your Mohawk Network's Wi-Fi mesh unit and place it in the best location of your home. Connect the Wi-Fi mesh to a power source. Wait approximately 60 seconds. Once the mesh's lights are in this state, press the WPS button on the enhanced router. Press the WPS button found at the back of the Wi-Fi mesh. The Wi-Fi mesh unit will connect to the enhanced router with all settings updated automatically. Now it's ready to be placed in your home. A series of 4 indicator lights, labeled Wi-Fi backhaul, assist with the ideal placement of your Wi-Fi mesh unit. The placement is too close if the indicators have 3 green lights and 1 red light. A closer location should be found if only 1 light is green. The placement is optimal when 3 or 4 of the lights are green. The optimal location for the Wi-Fi mesh is between the enhanced router and the area that contains the dead spot.